It was a cold, rainy evening. People hurried through the streets, trying to escape the storm. But one man sat alone on a bench, soaked, silent, forgotten by the world. His eyes were tired, his soul empty. He had stopped expecting kindness long ago. Then a young boy appeared. He looked at the man, paused for a moment, and without a single word, handed him his umbrella. He froze, staring at the boy's gentle smile, a smile he hadn't seen in months. The boy ran off into the rain, but his kindness stayed behind, deep inside that man's heart. For the first time in years, he felt something warm, hope. The next morning, the same man stood outside a bakery, not begging, but buying bread for others. One small act of kindness had changed his world, and perhaps the world around him too, because kindness never goes to waste.